As the season of mangoes has arrived, let's make a quick dessert recipe with mangoes. In this video, I am going to share easy mango bread pudding recipe. For this, we need 1 mango. Chop the mango and blend half of it. Keep the other half of chopped mangoes aside. Now, in a pan, pour a cup of milk. In a separate bowl, take 3 tablespoons of custard powder and add milk or water to it. Make sure the milk is not too hot. Mix it well and keep aside. Now add 1/4 cup of sugar and give it a mix. Pour the custard mix one by one in batches and continue to mix to remove lumps. Remember not to add custard all at once. Pour it slowly over a low flame. Add the mango puree and give the custard a mix. Boil until the custard becomes thick. Once it becomes thick, remove from the flame and let it cool. Now take white bread slices and cut its corner with a knife or a pair of scissors. Apply water on both sides of bread and press so that the water gets absorbed in it. Press the corners very gently. Now, fill the bread slice with chopped mangoes and make a ball-like structure by rolling between the hands. Put the ball in a bowl and pour mango custard on it. Garnish with chopped mangoes and any dry fruit of your choice. You can garnish with tutti fruities or cherries too. Serve it cool and enjoy. If you like this video, subscribe and be a part of my YouTube